There is something in the mountains, in the sea, in the air. I don't know what it is. I really need to source my soul with the Westfjords all the time. If anyone asks me, where are you from? I'm always from the Westfjords. I will always be in the Westfjords. We had started to talk about doing tours to bring out the heritage of our foremothers. So we thought it was time to change history and talk about women.
This is truly like a once-in-a-lifetime trip, not just to sightsee, but to actually be with the two women who were born in the Westfjords, so intimately connected to wool and the land.
My name is Bergrós Kjartansdóttir. I am a knitting designer and a goldsmith. I have been worked as a knitting designer for the biggest factory here in Iceland, the Ístak's, who is producing this wonderful Icelandic wool. Here we have this tog.
Tog is the outer layer and it's rough. And then you have the fairs.
That's very soft.
Yes.
I love it. So very special material.
It's a learning experience about the people in place, in addition to making something that is authentic Iceland. So this is more than a knit along.
We know so many people here. It's not a touristic thing that we are doing. We use our connections and friendship.
What we love is it's a small group. So this really creates that experience that feels like you're traveling with a family instead of a tour.
There's always some magic in those trips. Something is happening that you can't really tell people about unless they come here. You have to come and
Experience the magic.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.